everyone. Today I'm making roasted Brussels sprouts. This is a very easy recipe and it's so delicious and very light. These are the ingredients that I need for this recipe. Some Brussels sprouts, some black pepper, salt, garlic powder. I have some shredded parmesan cheese and some bacon. This is optional. I like to top mine at the end. Just make sure that you check out the description below this video for all the ingredients and measurements. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, you wanna trim these ends and cut each Brussels sprout in half. Just put them in a bowl. Okay, so here are all sliced up. We're gonna go ahead and season them. A little bit of salt. Garlic powder. Black pepper. We'll put a little more garlic powder. And then go ahead and put some olive oil. And then go ahead and mix it with your hands. You want to make sure that you coat everything, every little piece in there. Just mix, mix, mix. Okay, so I got my pan out. I'm gonna put some olive oil in this. Go ahead and put the Brussels sprouts in. I like to add the parmesan cheese. And then I like to top mine with some bacon. This is optional. You can leave it plain, but I like to add the flavor of bacon. There you have it. Now I'm gonna put the pan in the oven at 400 for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna check after 15 minutes. I'm gonna check and see how it is, and but the total baking would be like 30 minutes. Okay, so now the Brussels sprouts are done. They baked for about 30 minutes. They look nice. I hope you try this recipe. It's very easy to make and it is delicious. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time for my next recipe. Bye bye.